MobilityTown, which subhead is Out of Our Cars and Into the World, is all about getting people to dream about what a future of public transportation could be like so that we would have more pedestrian-friendly streets and stronger communities.
My name is Motomichi Nakamura. I'm a projection artist and animator. For this project, the first step was for us to actually inspect the locations and the sites, since this is site-specific work. So we did a lot of inspections such as the lighting conditions and then surface of the projection. I wanted the characters to be kind of friendly, yet not something too specific, something that people can relate to.
I'm hoping that after interacting with MobilityTown, people will think about Motown as Mobility Town and think about Detroit as being a leader in conceiving of how cities like ours could have public transportation.
We get to press a button right there to get on the train as well. And here we are. There's the train station over there, and we just kind of drive over the city for a little bit.